In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Fresha. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up clear, bookable services your clients can understand at a glance. Start by logging into Fresha and opening your business account. If you manage more than one location or team, make sure you're in the correct business and the right location before you move on. This helps keep your service list accurate and ensures the right calendars, taxes, and prices apply. Next, head to Settings, then Open Services. Depending on your layout, this may also be labeled Service List or Menu. This is your central place for organizing everything clients can book. Think of it as your menu manager. You'll group services into categories, control visibility, and make sure durations and prices align with your schedule. Now click Add Service, usually shown as a plus icon. This opens a new service form where you'll build the service from the ground up. If you already have a category structure in mind, keep it handy. It will make this step much faster and cleaner. In the service details, start with a clear service name that clients will instantly recognize. Add a short benefit-focused description so people know what to expect and who the service is for. Choose the category it belongs to. Keeping related services together helps your menu read logically and speeds up online booking. Set the duration to match the time you actually need, including consultation and cleanup as appropriate. If you typically need a buffer before or after, add it here so your calendar doesn't overbook. Enter the price, and if your setup uses tax, confirm the correct tax option. If your pricing varies, consider adding a from price and clarify details in the description so clients aren't surprised at checkout. Assign the service to the team members who can perform it. This determines who appears as available when clients book. If your business has multiple locations, check that it's enabled only where you offer it. You can also choose the service color, which makes your calendar easier to scan at a glance. When everything looks good, save the service to add it to your list. Give it a quick check in your services area to confirm category placement and details. If you allow online booking, verify the service is visible and appears the way you want it to. Over time, revisit durations, pricing, and descriptions to reflect your real workflow and keep your menu polished. That's it. Your service is now ready to book in Fresha.